This 2011 Chevy Aveo video demonstration is brought to you by Franklin Carnival Kia, located in Franklin, Tennessee, just off of Interstate 65, right off of Exit 65 at 1413 Murfreesboro Road. I'm here in the driver's seat to show you a bunch of great features. We've got front and side curtain airbags, intermittent wiper blades, AM/FM stereo with CD player, and it's got MP3 technology built right in, and it's even got a fully integrated auxiliary jack so you can plug in any other audio device you'd like. So say you've got music on an MP3 player, cell phone, laptop, iPad, iPod, really anything with a headphone jack. And if you're like me and you use GPS navigation, maybe some streaming audio on your cell phone, you can plug that right in and listen to it through the stereo. It's really great, gives you lots of convenient audio options. Now, this vehicle has been inspected by our certified technicians and is Q certified. And what that gives you is a 2-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, a 1-year roadside assistance package, and all of our vehicles, new and used, come with a lifetime appearance protection package. And what that helps cover is windshield stars, scratches, scrapes, dents, bumps, cigarette burns, small tears, stains, that sort of thing. You just bring it on in and we'll take care of it, because we want to make sure your vehicle stays running and looking great. Some additional comfort and safety features include child safety locks, rear latch system for child safety seats, side curtain airbags, and pass-through rear seating, which of course means these seats fold flat very easily for lots of additional storage. For more information or to check availability of this great Aveo, come on down and see us. Again, we're located in Franklin, Tennessee, just off of Interstate 65, right off of Exit 65. Or if you'd like to speak to one of our friendly staff, you can give us a call toll-free at 888-696-9185. And of course, you can visit us on the web anytime at www.carnivalkia.com.